Just as the government have taken all possible preventive measures to fight against the global pandemic COVID-19, we the citizens of this country should also follow the given authorities' guidelines. And the best way to do that is to start by staying at home with your family and be safe.
Lockdown ऐसे के चोजिया फन DIG पेन संकेरन Ni inquiry det pe adang lockdown ऐसे के चोजिया फन Duarbagori constituency along Sanghan Keron Tamil Nadu kacong dadam pen kisung ke photum kirap ke long Japan Karbeng long autonomous council aphan towar kacholang Kardom pini prime time berta long pen nili sami jilihan sepi non bertang ton pen arjik tha COVID-19 pen kacepa jok pon Japan det pi adang kang hap pini an ni phopleng tanglo la sirada tum kang chira duk avidet nang Jipura pini deputy inspector of general ahin pen radaphan sangkeron asai kedeng Pinianar lo porpai isi pormalom dipu long leji rong klarbong rong asar long sing tiso hemalong radaphan sanghan keron nasai dengpon Deputy Inspector of General Satyaraj Hajarika IPS ahin pen jepatir pibang so sanghan keron along volong komajia long kedo Rukasan College along lecturer Dr. Harvey Ingti Katharpi Rada sai klembang phu rangsina hanse MAC Barim Samson Tiso Lapen Karbiang Long Life Chief Editor Ratish Rongphar Chitongdun DIG Hajarika amithang chithurplot bangso sangkerona sayalong Rada tumaphan bangso ni inquiry si det piadang lockdown along rad do anta chirap chitodun si mithanga hemalong kechido klipen kiso kachepajok dunjia phansi DIG Hajarika pen than pachini tekang Pini radaphan sang dali ingti lapen sabon ron tekang si dorde phope sitame monang pali thupo puta radaphan aning pathe tekang News Desk Report Karbiang Long Life Nili jili hansepi Doktor lapen nurses atum do de sang sepen ilituma phan irap donlo Tangte ilitum ta kachekroy dun pu kachepaklang dun ang thekben hongbar be pinra hem do joypen alang lituma phan rabdun senang Coronavirus ke sopen kachepa jok Japan pura ni inquiry si det pe dang kangkir ke phai sek rada tum ke choki jun pon Japan pini Duarbagori constituency along Sanghan Kerona sai dengpon Karbiang Chief Executive Member Tuliram Ronghang Kapin Khada Tengpen ni inquiry si det pe dang lockdown kapadopon isekan ing churchere nangji pukama thapen Duarbagori MAC Anparta Forest Development Board Chairman Richard Tokbiaphan Kapin Khada Tengpen Duarbagori constituency Daithor Thijoklangso LP School along Radaphan Sangronpon Sangkeron along Lems Mai Phu Projen Rongpi Chunbang Prodip Kiling Pen Japonsi Kiduk Det Arat Lapen Ratchari Asongalam Pupepin Pen Arong along Sangkeran Padopon Pini Bangso Sangkeron na Sakedeng along Kadokawe Rong Thongkya Prasir Kepaphan Ronpon Lasonsi Duarbagori Angkang along Daithor Kekang Adong Lems Daihori Lems Dolamara Lems Lapen Kohora Lems la long pli alem sitame mithang lem sangkang ke do an rong aradaphan sangkeron asai padopon Kiduk det arat kisung det apora hut lapuson asai kedeng pon thekapot Karbianglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang lapen Duarbogori MAC Richard Tok biaphan ka choro pajirpon pusi Karbianglong life asai hemalong bertanang pale
Just as the government have taken all possible preventive measures to fight against the global pandemic COVID-19, we the citizens of this country should also follow the given authorities' guidelines. And the best way to do that is to start by staying at home with your family and be safe.
COVID-19 na keso monira long kangdang bamajok kangkir ke phapon along kado kabeta amithang ahem kachido klipen keso kapang danglong le dejaphan kachirab dona kenang sot pusi West Karbianglong DC radaphan pachini pon COVID-19 China det Wuhan along rialong kangdang keso ke prape kajok ke ongdung monit ki thia phai dolo kopai kemi Assam along riarlo nona mat labang so keso ang thekelong avelang Sitame kachire kachisik me ke dodon ke akenang sot pusi West Karbianglong DC pen lamthe jai West Karbianglong angkang pen angtan kachongdat lapen lokacharli dam bang pharo phorap thike prahini atum amithang arong lapen ahemalong nang chilesi quarantine along si pedopon loputa DC site is fakoreman lamthe jai
COVID-19 virus spreading very fast in different parts of the world and also it has come to our India also luckily it has not been detected in Assam, but still we must be careful. So we have taken all precautionary measures. About 542 persons who stayed outside Assam, they have come back to their respective villages during last 7-8 days. So basically, they are the people among them, maybe 2-3 persons may be infected with this virus, from whom it may spread. That's why they have been asked to undergo home quarantine for 14 days and to stay at their home for the lockdown period. So this has been monitored by the ASA workers and police administration is also helping us in this way, in this work. So VDP persons are there, so they are also keeping an eye on these people. So we have requested the Sarkari Gaumburas also to keep an eye on these people, and people are very conscious. Even if this kind of person who has come from outside, if he ventures out from his house, we get the information. Even his neighbors, local public, they also inform us.
Kangkir ke phai sek abang putin ta hem ke doklip ji aphan pachini pon Hamren pen Daniel Inghi Karbianglong live
and people are very conscious.
Nili jili hansepi Doctor lapen nurses atum do de sang sepen ilitum aphan irap donlo tangte ilitum ta kachekroy don pu kachepaklang don ang thekpen hongbar be pinra hem do joypen alang litum aphan rap don sinang Kapre kademalong kachongdat na mamat hem nang kacheleone det bang pho tumaphan KSA Dilai branch atum Chaparmuk station Lachit colonialong si ingthum namlo Chaparmuk station along kaching thanglok bangpho tumaphan kangthum dam jiabidi KSA Dilai branch along kachoning ridam atengpen kedam tang there ni phaing koi runner ke parni Dilai police station lapen state dispensary atumpen akerap longponsi kangthum dam asai denglo kangthum dam ahut Chaparmuk station an kapale jiaphan thana pen NOC lodunsi padam toilo bangso kangthum dam ahut Dilai KSA chunbang waisong terang japon densi damlo Ingthum dam det apen api bang pho phan dispensary along ponthasi okprana sat and det apisi hem pachidam toilo kisung thekte ka hot ke rabapot la bang pho atum KSA phan aning aklong pen kachoro pajerpon Dilai pen bijarong pi Karbianglong live
Just as the government have taken all possible preventive measures to fight against the global pandemic COVID-19, we the citizens of this country should also follow the given authorities' guidelines. And the best way to do that is to start by staying at home with your family and be safe.
Det pi adang lockdown padolo pupen ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM tuliram rong hang kabor ipon ajok akahelo ka chongdat da matumaphan penangan akera pipon bomasonsi thekpon longlo Kedam tang kerap kapajer ponasonsi non Tamil Nadu along ki ongdung asai ka chongdat da matum ki ongdung ajok non anta kerap kele dam de lapuson dokok lang tahailo Bangso jok non puan ta ki ongdung atum kasuk sakpen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council aphan kerap ke hanga berta Karbi Anglong life along berta nang pali bomlang Lason se alang tum Dharma Mineral Water Company along Chesong Terang Agustin Teron Ananda Timung Pendanglok Bangkya batum Bangso Company along Chongdat Bamahut men kangkir che kajok thang choklem movesi chichak pronglo laso jok kasuk sak donanglo Lasi kangkir se ke choki junji aphan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council aphan se kirap cho hanglo
Nilitung live wang langkok atheke lapu helo pirthia dang kache thang flu coronavirus mate COVID 19 aputha lasi nilitung live wang langkok lo lasi jasemet pet nilitung kaching hon sar tuliram rong hang KAC lasi alang liphan jasemet pet tuning rilo nilitung nonamat nilitung dak Tamil Nadu sido lasi nilitung Ladakh kedo kisung thektik nilitung dak pen hem an kache damjia phan nilitung tangka nilitung marideng isinata we lapen ke nilitung ke choki jon se tame ka dure ason lase nilitung dak do bom adim ka chongdara company seta inkir check lo nilitung chokle mathaya we nilitung mang prong lo lase jasemet pet sar ke hai ronghang sangu phan nilitung chuning ri padikri no nilitung phan Ladakh pen how me thang hem an nang ke pale jia phan nilitum alang le phan si tuwar cholang lo
Kadom CM sar tuliram rongang nanglilong nangliphan akara paso hangnan ji alam the bangala poson lo nilitum non Chennai sidu nilitum kan claim bom Chennai along nilitum Dharma Mineral Water bolong si nilitum kan claim lasi nilitum Ladakh kisung ke boy son dokog lo atheke all India lockdown coronavirus ajoni pen ajok nilitum kisung ke boy dokolo company pu sidami nangbon pichek lo nilitum edam ang achiklo posan ke long lab lo sidami hem kisung ke boy pen ajok hem pon chi pathai de lo i hatto long e tangkam ha chi bi be de lo athe asul labang so coronavirus akebon wangji poke chini ne data joni pen si hem supply de lo amasi pocket long ke posa chi bi be de lo lasi nona bangge mina reson chikuri damjia phanta avedelo tangka maha sedame lasi nanglilong joike pen akiram nanga cho hanglo sar lasi nilidum porte doan ke bangkrep thom do lasi nangli nilidum phan prabjin pen nangkelang banjia phansi choni reglo
Lason thotsi ARS Manpower Consultancy along kachongdat dun bang inkor rathrokatum sitami kisung aputha kirapon jephan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council aphan se towar cholang ponlo pusi Karbi Anglong life asai hemlong berta nang pali Pini prime time berta ke lapon se kang toniglo do me thak me kardom